Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to publish your website on Webflow. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure this one is the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official webflow.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you'll be able to see all of the options that you can access in Webflow. Here we can see all of the websites that we have created, and here we have the button to go ahead and create a new website if we want. But for today's video guys, I'm going to be using this website that I have already created right here called YouTube Tutorials. So let's go ahead and open it up by clicking on it right here and click on Open Designer. After clicking on Open Designer guys, now we have successfully opened the website in the page, and if you look at the left and right side of the screen, you will see multiple options that you can use for managing your website. In the left side screen, you have the option to add new features and elements to the website, and in the right side of the screen, you have the option to edit those features and elements that you have added to your pages so you can style them however you want. But yeah guys, let's go back to the page itself. As you can see, let's say that we have finished with editing our page and now we want to publish it. How do we do that guys? Well, it's very easy. All we have to do after we are satisfied with how our website looks and we are ready to publish it, go right here into the upper right corner and find the publish button. Go ahead guys and click on publish, and now this will open up this new menu where you can select if you want to use this domain that has been given to you or you want to use a custom domain. We're going to be using this domain right here, and after we are satisfied guys and we have selected the domain, we can go ahead and click on publish to select the domains. Clicking on that guys, we can see that now we will successfully publish our website. As you can see, it takes a couple of seconds. Then in a couple of seconds guys, our website will be successfully published and other people will be able to view it. As you can see, it has just been published. So guys, basically that's how you do it. That's how you publish your website. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.